canvas, and it's a gallery wrapped canvas, and I have taped the bottom to protect it from the paint, so when you finished, it's nice finished and dry, you can take that off and have a clean bottom. I've got my giant push pins that you will find in a link in my Amazon store. So I'm going to start off with a dirty cup pour. Is going to be my actual background for this particular piece, but a very kind of bland dirty pour. So I'm going to go with my creamy sand colour because I'm going to use beautiful metallics and more in the autumny colours. So this is what I call my champagne gold. It's 50% gold, 50% silver. Oh, I think I've got some chunky bits in there, which is never good. And I might just put a little bit of gold in it. Remember, this is just going to be my background on the canvas for something I'm going to do. So it's mostly, I'd want to keep it mostly this creamy colour. So just adding in those other colours. Definitely got chunky bits in, but we'll work it out. Mixed media. Rightio, might give it a real good squirt of white now. Always put some marbles in the bottom of your mix, in your, you know, your, what you call them, your squeezy bottles. It helps mix the paint up. Certainly does. Rightio, just going to go around the edge with my white. So this has obviously all been pre-mixed for acrylic pouring. Anybody that wants to know, there's the recipes for beginners in my playlist for beginners. That's a bit simple, isn't it? Rightio. I'm going to, yes, I knew I had it. Add just a sponge brush. Just going to sponge that in on the edges. My canvases are, well, I think all the canvases that are sold in Australia usually are pre-gessoed, or whatever you call it. So we don't, like, they're triple gessoed. I don't know if it's gesso or gesso when we purchase them, so there's no need for canvas prep, you know, like, so you could quite, if you wanted a white background, then you can definitely leave it exactly as you purchase it, because it's got a nice triple gessoed, triple dipple gessoed sometimes, background. So I just want that. I am just coating it simply so my paint runs over it nicely, or slide over it. So easy peasy lemon squeezy. See, I've got a few chunky bits. And a flip of the cup. So it's simply getting your cup and giving it a flip. Hopefully it's going to come out like a nice glistening, nice, well, I hope it's going to come out nice. That's what I'm hoping. So let's go for it. Remember, this is just for my background, hopefully. But, you know, all the best laid out plans sometimes never go to plan, and you end up changing, so that's okay. I just want, oh, that is actually quite nice. The colours look beautiful together. So even as a very, somebody that doesn't like anything too busy, that's very nice. And it will dry really nice and glossy, glistening, because it's got the metallics in the that gold and silver champagne mix that I mix up. Oh, that's very nice. That could well and truly be left exactly as it is. That's very, very nice. Haven't done one like this for a while, so I've definitely done it before, but I can now see that sort of very plain, minimalistic is very, very nice. Look at that. That's very nice. So just slowly tilt, take your time, don't rush. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Just want to get each corner so I've got a nice background. That's actually perfect. I've got a fly in here and it's very annoying, to say the least. Oh, that is gorgeous. If you like very minimalistic, light, soft and floaty, that's your man. And I've got paint from tip to toe here. I have covered myself in it. How did I manage that? Oh geez, and the more... Okay, I'm ending this video here with this just very plain minimalistic piece. I wanted to show you just this section of this video. I did go on to add colour to it, but I did get remarks like, why didn't you leave it just as it was? Well, you absolutely can leave it just as it was, and this is how it would look. I did carry on, and that's in another video that's already up on my channel. But I hope you like this quick and easy way to make such beautiful, effective art. Bye for now. Okay, look how beautiful that turned out. That is so lovely. Absolutely lovely on its own. It looks like a stone bench top of, you know, Caesar stone or marble. It is just beautiful. That'd be so nice. It would be absolutely perfect on its own. So if you want that look, then follow that process. That's my gecko. Agreeing. Thank you very much, gecko. Can't see him, he's hidden behind something, but he always seems to make a remark, which is quite, you know, hilarious, really. Okay, I'm going to go on with my next step. So I've mixed some burnt umber, a dash of black to make it go that little bit darker, and a bit of iridescent medium, which makes it go like a metallic. So I am going to wiggle this around the outside to kind of frame my marble look. Remember, you don't have to do anything you see other YouTubers do. You can take what you like out of it. Just here to show you options. You may not do the same, and that's all good. That's what we're here for, to give you ideas if you are stuck, or you're just wanting entertainment watching other people create art. Rightio, I'm going to go with this lovely Sahara colour. It's like a mustardy yellow. So again, everything has got the iridescent medium in it to give you some sparkle. And you're just wiggling it, really. Rightio. Then I will put some metallic gold in it. Got to be so careful not to go overboard with my colours, but I am going to blow some of them off over the edge anyway, so that's my thing. I kind of don't know when to stop sometimes, but that's it. That's my naughty. Okay, I think I might add a little bit more of that brown because it's got so much light in there. It around the edges because I want to blow some a little way inside. So should I stick with those colours, or should I might add just a bit of my copper metallic? bronze. I'm not sure if it's... Don't ever throw any of your bottles that have got squeezy end on away, because they just be reused over and over again. I think that's all I want to add, but do I want to add a pop of another colour, like a turquoise? Do I or don't I? Should I just try? I may just try this corner and we'll see how this one works out. Oh, that is nice. That's very nice. So I might just try the corner, and it might work out that I only do it in the corner. So let's see. So I am going to use some of my, I might just try it here first. I'm going to use some of my Amsterdam Black mixed with Aussie Floetrol to just blow out this way, and then I'm going to blow down that way. I'm just going to try it. So I'm going to use for this mini blower to blow into the centre. See how we go. Now I'll use my other blower to blow down that way. Before I do that, I'm going to whiz round with this to burst any air bubbles. Okie doke. I thought my camera was running. Now I've got to keep checking it. I just did a couple of things that I missed. I just got this very little bit of soft plastic and put a little bit of my black on it there, and then used it to just do a few kind of wispy swipes through so just with the corner. And it's created these gorgeous effects. Well, I think they're gorgeous anyway, and that's it. Remember, it's your art, your rules, your way. Don't let anybody take your shine away from you. Don't let somebody come into your art room, a friend or so-called friend or family member, and tell you that it's not good, it's crap, or you should have done this or that. Remember, stand up for yourself. My art, my rules, my way. Get out of my art room if you haven't got anything complimentary or positive to say. We've got to stand up for ourselves. Too many bullies out there. On my bandwagon today, aren't I? Or should I say my soapbox. Rightio. Jilly's balloon. Here we go. Don't look any further if you do not want to do what I do. So I'm going to roll it. It's going to add some lighter effects in it. Going to soften it a bit so you can roll it or kiss it as much as you desire, or as least, or not at all. That's all up to you. So it wouldn't be my art if I didn't do this. It's kind of my signature thing, so you either do it or you don't. And I've seen loads and loads and loads and loads of people taking this very technique up as their own on the art pages on Facebook and YouTube, the balloon kissing. And it's definitely all been done before. As I said, my 40-year-old son was doing it in school all those years ago. We called it balloon art back then. So it's all been done before, nothing new. So it's just bring in some of the softer, lighter colour from behind back through again, and that's perfect for me. Wow, 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 wow. That is going to look lovely, because this, I've got a really lovely pine frame for this particular, a floating frame for this particular canvas, so I'll show you in a second. And then I will show you at the end. It'll be in its canvas, in its frame dried. That's enough of that. If you want to do any further embellishments, so tiny, then I just use my, it's a normal size balloon. I just put a bit of water in it just to add a bit of weight. It's sort of to go back in where you've balloon kissed. It gives the further petal effects, you know. So if I want to put a bit of darker colour in there, gives it just, you know, just makes it even more look like a botanical effect without the artistry. I like it. I like it. I like my playing and my fiddling, and that's what I really hope that you guys do, and don't let anybody take anything away from you and make you feel bad about it. And some people struggle for a little while to get a look that they're happy with, but trust me that with persistence and practice, you'll get there. That is you beaut, super duper, happy chappy. Really happy with that. Absolutely love that background, even though I've lost so much of it, but it's really given me now the idea for a bigger canvas that I've got sitting here to do that kind of background in, and it's going to work out lovely. So this is my floating frame that this canvas will sit in when it's finished. So it's a pine floating frame that came with the canvas, and that's going to look really nice. So okie doke, my lovelies, that's it for today. Look out for the photos at the end, and so happy you joined me, and really hope you enjoyed that. Please share the love, and remember, if you're not feeling very happy, you're feeling sad, lonely, depressed, please ring a family member or a relay or a helpline. There's always someone there to help you. Okie dokie, bye for now.